Special Olympics Nigeria has hosted the floor hockey and unified floorball team and won gold and silver at the 2017 Winter Olympic Games in Austria. Parents and guardians of the athletes were present at the ceremony held in Ikoyi, Lagos, southwest Nigeria. The chairman of the board of the trustees, Special Olympics Nigeria, Victor Oshibaju, says athletes will continue to get the deserved support.
Athletes had an amazing time, but didn't forget to bring home the prize. And you could see on their neck the prize is the gold and the silver medals they won. They won the gold medal in floor hockey and silver medal in unified floor ball. We would also like to appreciate all the family members of the athletes, the coaches, the volunteers who dedicated their time and supported the athletes. Special Olympics is special to us, and we will always give our best to the athletes to ensure that they are always celebrated.
Following Tuesday's attack on Borussia Dortmund's team bus,